Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android device. So if you also want to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android device, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So whenever you're connected to the Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi might keep disconnecting. This issue can be solved through various measures. First of all, what you have to do is ensure you're within a good signal range of your router. If possible, try moving closer to the router to improve the signal strength. If this does not work for you, you might have to reset your Wi-Fi. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Over here what you have to do is find the option for network and internet. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the network and internet interface. Simply tap on the option internet. Now after that, you'll be led to the internet interface. Now at top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the icon for reset. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, your network and internet will be reset. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try restarting your router. Simply restart your router and connect to Wi-Fi again. After that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, it might be because your system is not updated properly. For that, you'll have to update your system. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here, I've opened settings. Now, what you have to do is find the option for system over here. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you'll be led to the system interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is find the option for software update. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, my system version is up to date. If it is not up to date, you'll be able to find the option for updating your system. Simply update your system and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try restarting your device. Simply long press on the power button. After that, you'll be able to find several options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for restart. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your mobile device will be restarted and your problem will definitely be fixed. So that is how you fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting issue on any Android device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.